Hi everyone, in front of me I've got FREEYOND M6 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find sound and vibration section. Now let's scroll down just a little bit to localize those phone ringtones for the first and the second SIM card. As you can see in this device, they are separated, which means that we can set totally different ringtone for the first one and totally different for the second one, as you can actually see right here. So what we have to do in order to change the ringtone, we have to tap on the proper option. So let me choose the first one, and after that we will have this pop-out window with the pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the top we've got the option None, which means that your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call, and on the other hand at the bottom we've got this option Add Ringtone. You can simply tap on it and you will enter your own files which you've got, for example, downloaded, and you can set them as a ringtone. If you want to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it and of course unmute your device. Okay, and let me volume it down. So basically this is how it works. Just tap on the option and decide whether you like it or not. So let's pretend I want this option to be applied. Make sure that it is marked and tap on OK. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.